Work-life balance. Yeah, how would I say? But before I go to that, you mentioned something about missing the boat. Ano ko lang 'no,
Yeah.
watching the movie Benjamin Button, the Cures, minsan iniisip ko, bakit kaya why not gano'n na maging buhay natin ano? Instead of this way na we spend 40 years of our lives working and then 'pag tigil mo magtrabaho makita mo ang lalaki na ng anak mo, nasaan na yung where did the time go? Now in relation to now going back to your question, work-life balance, it should be intentional living. I wake up in the morning, I don't open my phone, just say thank you, then call up my partner, spend 30 minutes with my daughter over the phone. Lunchtime, hmm, log off ako, call up my partner, call up my daughter. Pag-uwi ko ng bahay, I di intentional din. May specific oras na tatawag ako, spend time. But again, that's not enough, but it's a start because you're protecting your energy, you're protecting what your core, you're protecting what's important to you, and then second step what I did was, yeah, kung labas ka, completely detached from your work. Hindi tipong ngayon kasi we're connected 100 time 365 days, 24/7 eh. Yung sunog ng kumpanya, kahit masunog yan, naka-insured yan, literally.
Mhm.
Kahit anong gawin mo diyan, mare-resolve yan. Hindi yung, I used to do this before. I'm out, kasama ko yung tatawag sa akin, "Han, wait lang punta ako ng office, kailangan ako dun." I do I've happened it happened several times. So sabi ko, "No, I'm not gonna do that anymore. I'm not gonna do that anymore." So sabi ko, which is now, in my current situation, I am very intentional. Ito yung gusto ko. Ito yung gusto ko. I am now trying to fit my next career move dito sa gusto ko. Because I'm already 48. I don't wanna miss the boat.
Right.
Can you imagine? My daughter's 3 years old. 15 days kat matutulog ka, kayakap mo yung kayakap sa yung bata. Ang sarap nun. Sabi ko, where was I for the past 3 years?
3 years. Buti lang, at least you caught it 3 years old path. It's your daughter is still at a very how would you say, even neurologically and physically resilient stage of her life. No, they can recover very quickly. Okay, because they're still growing. No, so at least you caught up with it you caught up still. Kasi kung
Yeah.
teenager na, medyo it's a little late. Okay.
Yayakapin mo yung daughter mo. You, daddy,
Oo.
tutoy.
Oo.